Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this video is going to be a little update about our movie room. We finally got a couch in here and I want to talk about it. Jumping right into it, this sectional is from Cozey. They are a Canadian company that shipped directly to the US. From when the order was placed to when it came, it took about, I would say roughly 2 weeks, which is pretty fast in my opinion. And after we set it up, I'm not gonna lie, that first night after we set it up, we spent the night in here just because we were so excited and it was so comfortable. So everything arrived in separate boxes. It is a tool-free design. All the pillow covers, all of the sectional covers, all of the different pieces. You do have to put them all together. It did, not gonna lie, it did take quite a bit of time, but me and my husband did it and it came out so lovely. So this sectional is called the Atmosphere, and it is on the firmer side, which is what I wanted for our movie room, our theater room. I love how spacious it is. I love how big it is. We got the 6-seater version. I also got an extra Ottoman, and it is massive, y'all. Look at this. just feel like it's so big and it's so comfortable. It fits all four of us comfortably on this couch. We've had guests come over and they've also sat on this couch. Another thing that's really great about this Atmosphere collection, and really a lot of the Cozey sectionals that I was looking at when I was trying to figure out which one I wanted, I love that everything is removable and washable. Like I can, especially with kids involved, I can remove all of these covers, throw them in the washing machine and dryer, and have them out clean and ready to go. Couch, I did go for more of a darker color as well, so that's gonna help a little bit more with the stains. If you've seen the rest of our house, it's definitely more like lighter colors, especially in our living room. But this room, I wanted it to be like moody. That's why we have the dark walls. We have, now we have the dark couch, and we also have a beanbag in here as well. I'm still decorating in here. I want to get like a different sign on the back. Still need to get some tables in here to put like snacks and stuff. I did get a popcorn machine, which I think is so cute. And yeah, just a few more little things here and there. We have a fridge in here as well. But yeah, just a few little things here and there. And I feel like this room will be complete. Like I said, with the other parts of the house, I'm not really in a rush. So I've just kind of been doing things like piece by piece, but it is slowly but surely coming together. I did also get like a pillow set from them. I'll put all the information about like the details on this couch and the set that I got in the description box below. I'll also try and see if I can put it right here on text, but I got these like decorative pillows from them, which I just wanted to add a little bit of like bright color into this space. It is very, very dark, so I wanted like a pop of some brighter colors. I went with like a gray, tan, and a little bit of like cream. You see, this is another one. This pillow also came with the set as well. And yeah, I think it just adds like a nice little accent to the area. And last but not least, this throw, y'all. Oh my goodness. It is so freaking comfortable. Like, it's so soft. It's so cozy. Like, this whole room is just like cozy, and I love that for me. I think that's pretty much it for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Hopefully all your questions will be answered in the description box below, but if you have any other questions, let me know, especially about this sectional. I'll definitely keep y'all updated. We've had it for about 2 weeks now. And so far, like, we love it. Like, it's just such a vibe in here, and this sectional just brought it all together. Before we had the sectional in here, we just had like the beanbags in here, which was nice too. But just having like an oversized sectional in this movie room has just been like a game changer. We've been up here a lot more. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. As usual, as always, if you are not following me, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Catch you later. Bye.